Hey everyone, so today I am going to be showing you a haul of some items that I picked up from Qosmedix. Qosmedix is spelled Qosmedix.com, and they are one of the websites that I go to for things like disposables, bridal little makeup bag kind of kits, just lots of things that I need in bulk and that I need just to perform my job that are not like actual makeup, although I think they do have some of that. They have makeup brushes and things like that, but it's more like sponges and lip ones, mascara ones, things like that. So if you are a makeup artist, this will probably be a helpful video for you, so let's get into it. First, I got, I think 10 of these 100 packs of cotton rounds. So this is 1,000 cotton rounds, and you're probably confused if you saw my video a few videos back where I was talking about reusable cotton rounds. Why did I just buy 1,000 cotton rounds? So the reusable ones are the ones that I use on myself when I'm taking my own makeup off at the end of the day, and obviously it's just me. I can launder them and it's easy peasy. But for my clients, I need disposable cotton rounds because I'm usually using an abundance of them. So when I do lash lift and tint services, I'm using a lot of them, waxing, things like that. So, and I just need to be able to just use it and go and keep doing the service. So cotton rounds are very important. Next, I got another big box. So I try to get big quantities whenever I can because usually it's more affordable and it's going to last a long time. So I'm not going to be ordering every couple of months. So I got a bunch of these double-ended, dual-ended pointed Q-tips. So these I use for cleaning up winged liner and just general cleanup in the makeup application whenever I need them. That's what the box looks like, so there's a bunch. Next, I got 1,000 mascara ones. So I don't know why some things come in boxes and some come in bags, but I don't mind. I just need them and I figure out how to store them later. So I got 1,000 mascara ones. These obviously are used every time I dip in a mascara tube. I use one wand, even brushing out brows and things like that. Next, I got these white mesh see-through bags. So these are what I use to make up my bridal bags. So I make touch-up bags personally for each of our brides so that they are all set for the rest of the day when we are not there and they need to touch up their lips or take their makeup off, blot their face, things like that. And I really like these because they're the perfect size. They're reusable, so obviously they can use these after the wedding day. And of course I get white because it's a wedding day. These I couldn't find in a big quantity, so I just got another pack of these little lip brushes. So these are one of the things that go in the bridal touch-up bags. The next thing I got in a huge quantity are these mini spatulas. So let me show you what one looks like. So they're like these little white spatulas, and I like to use these for gel liner. So on most of my clients I use gel eyeliner. It just stays really well. It's super black or super brown, whatever they're going for. And I find that gel liner, if it dries too much, it's a pain to get off of those stainless steel spatulas. So this is where these come in handy. I can just use it once and then I throw it out. It doesn't matter. I don't have to clean it. So these come in handy a lot. The weird thing is they come in this box. So this is always interesting to store because they're just kind of thrown in here versus the other things are at least kind of contained in their bag or their box. I always found it really weird how they ship this, but it works. Lastly, I got this huge 128 ounce, this is a whole gallon of hand soap. So, if you guys know me, you know I hate the scent orange. It's just one of those things for me, but it was literally the only scent that they had, and it's Orange Blossom. I just needed hand soap really badly because hand soap is one of those things that, I don't know about you, I'm still having trouble finding, and I don't feel like running around a half a dozen stores just to get a handful of hand soap. So when I saw that they had a huge refill, that helps. So both for business, for personal, all of it, just because we need hand soap right now, so why not? So that is all that I have for this haul. Tell me, if you are a makeup artist or you're in the beauty industry in general, is there another website I should be looking into when it comes to things like disposables, beauty industry stuff, discounts, things like that. I'm on a lot of the websites that offer the discounts for makeup artists, but I'm always looking for more. So if you guys have favorite websites, comment down below and let me know, and I'll check them out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!